let's discuss the components of capital account one by one. The principal components of capital account are borrowings and foreign investment. Apart from these, we have other components like these are what we are having: NRI, deposits, banking, capital, short-term credit. So these are included in the other component. But if we talk about the principal items that affect the asset and liabilities of a country, these are borrowings and foreign investments. So let's start discussing with borrowings. What do you mean by borrowings? Borrowings means lending money to someone, or borrowings means having loan from someone. If we are giving loan to somebody, it is an investment for us, and if we are having loan from someone, then it is a liability for us. Clear? So here if we talk about borrowings, it means borrowing to rest of the world by a country as well as borrowing from rest of the world by a country. Clear? If it is borrowings to means loans given to any other country, then it is an investment for the country affecting its asset side, and if the country is borrowing from any other country, then it is a liability for the country, it is a loan for the country, and it increases the liability of the country to pay that loan in future. Clear? So here we will talk about lending or borrowings. Clear? Now the borrowings includes two types of borrowings. First is ECB. ECB means external commercial borrowings, and second is external assistance. In both of these, the financial assistance, or you can say financial advantage or financial borrowings are done from one country to another country. Clear? But the only principal difference is here under external commercial borrowings, the market rate of interest is being charged. Means whatever the rate of interest for the borrowings have been fixed in the international market, that market rate of interest will be charged for ECB's external commercial borrowings. While if we talk about the external assistance, then here the loan is being provided or taken at concessional rates. Means whatever the market rate of interest is being set up, that is not used here to give the loans or take the loans. Here generally the rates are used as concessional rates. Clear? Means generally some discount is being given for giving loans or taking loans if we are having assistance as an external assistance. Clear? So under ECB's external commercial borrowings are provided at market rate of interest, whereas external assistance is provided at concessional rate of interest. Means some discount is being given in the market rate of interest. Clear? So these are the borrowings that can be done, that can take place between one country and another country. Next, if we are giving loan or we are giving borrowings to some other country, then it is a asset for us, and it will be recorded at the debit side of a BOP, because in the BOP we record the receipts and payments. Clear? If we are giving loan to any other country, then it is a kind of payment for the country, because we are giving loan, so money is going out from that country. It is a payment for us, so it will be recorded on the debit side of the BOP. Clear? And secondly, if we are taking loan from any other country, no doubt it's a liability for us. We have to pay that in future. Our liability is increasing, but still it is a receipt right now. We are receiving money in form of loan, so it will be recorded on the credit side of BOP. Clear? Repeating it again, if we are giving loan to any other country, if one country gives loan to any other country, like for example India grants loan to Pakistan or to any other country, say Nepal. Clear? So then in the BOP, this transactions of giving loan to some other country is recorded on the debit side, and if India borrows loan from any other country like Japan or America, then it will be recorded on the credit side. Clear? Because it is a receipt of loan and it will be recorded on the credit side. Clear? So revising it once again, borrowings means having assistance or financial assistance from rest of the world, or giving financial assistance to rest of the world in form of loans. Clear? These can be of two types, either ECB's external commercial borrowings or external assistance. In both of these, money is being taken as a loan or money is being given as a loan, but the only difference is under external commercial borrowings, the market rate of interest is being followed. Clear? But under external assistance, concession conventional rate of interest is being followed, means some discount is being given in the market rate of interest. Clear? And also the borrowings, if we are giving loans to some other party, some other country, then it is recorded on the debit side because it is a payment for us. And if we are taking loan from any other country, then it is a receipt for us, and we have to record this on the credit side of BOP, balance of payment. So this is the first component of capital account borrowings.